Hey everyone. So one of the traditions oh my gosh. So every year in chemistry class, one thing I do is I give the students a pie. I let them have a slice of it. But before I let them take a bite of the pie, I have a question for them. And unfortunately, this year I'm not able to give you all a pie, but I'm still going to ask you the question. And I also had to make the pie just, as a prop to show you all. So let me show it to you really fast. So here I have a nice apple pie all to myself. So anyway, the question I have is this. So in this pie, there are about 342 grams of sugar. That is equivalent to about 1 mole of sugar. And tomorrow we'll talk about how we know that. But for right now, just know that that's true, that this pie has about 1 mole of sugar molecules. So knowing that information, if you were to take that pie and cut it in half, that would give you half a mole of sugar molecules. And my question to you is, how many cuts do you need to make to the pie in order to get down to 1 molecule of sugar? Let me look at the math with you all. Okay, so within this pie, we have 1 mole of sugar molecules. And we know 1 mole is equal to 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. A sugar molecule is C12, H22, O11. It's called sucrose. So that means within this pie, we have Avogadro's number of sucrose molecules. Let me redraw that. My drawing skills have not improved on the computer, that's for sure. Go and just clear everything. Try this again. Okay, so we have 6.02 to the 23rd molecules of sugar within this pie. If we were to make a cut down the middle, then now what we would have on 1/2 of it would be half of 6.02. So on this side, we would now have 3.01 times 10 to the 23rd. Okay, if we were to cut this in half again, now within this 1/4 right here, we would have half of 3.01, which would be about 1.5 times 10 to the 23rd. Make another cut right here. Again, halfway through here. It's not halfway, so let me go ahead and redo that. So make another halfway cut through here. You would now have within this slice right here, half of 1.5. So about 0.75 times 10 to the 23rd. So my question to you all is, how many times do you need to cut the pie in order to get down to 1 molecule? So at this point, we have, I'll keep on drawing a 3 right there. So at this point, we've now cut it down to, we had a half, a quarter, an eighth. Within the eighth of a slice, we have this many sugar molecules. So my question is, how many more cuts do you need to make to the pie halfway through in order to get down to 1 molecule? So think about that tonight, and then tomorrow I'll ask you all again, and I'll give you the solution to this.